Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So, this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Sarah and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet." Hi Sarah. I am so excited to write you. I enjoy your videos so much and I hope you can help me make some decisions. Our wedding is soon. I love sherbet colors with only hints of jewel tones. We are accenting with gold in the place settings and lots of candles. I like lower arrangements with varying heights and have asked my boyfriend which he would prefer, and his response is understated elegance. We both want a formal church wedding, but we do not want it to be overwhelming in style or budget. Well, Sarah, not only am I going to show you how to create this, I'm going to show you how to create it using Dollar Tree items. I am so excited to share this cost-saving centerpiece with you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Sherbet Classic Wedding Centerpiece with Dollar Tree Finds. Okay guys, let's get to it. Every vase you see here is from the Dollar Tree, from the 7-inch clear glass belly vase to our mercury glass votive candle holders. I will say though, the mercury glass candle holders are seasonal for the Dollar Tree. So when you find them, buy them up. But don't worry, I also have a link on our description right below this video if you cannot find those in the Dollar Tree. In addition, I'm using a glass tapered candle holder also from the Dollar Tree. Simply spray painting them with a gold foil and using them to make this beautiful centerpiece. Once you have gone ahead and put your styrofoam inside of both your vase as well as your votive candle holders, you will be ready to add the wonderful flower arrangement. Just a little tip, most venues require you to use flameless fire, which means LED in most aspects. But I found this is not LED and it's actually covered in a wax product, so they look so real. I have the link for you in the description below. It's the next best thing to live fire, or real candles, that is. Well, Sarah, how did we do? I absolutely love the vibrant sherbet colors with the touch of jewel tones, and the gold just sets it all off. Can you believe that 80% of this centerpiece came from the Dollar Tree? I know, it blows my mind. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, and by all means, if you have a comment or a question, please drop it right down below this video. It is me, Miss Planning, who answers all the comments. And does that mean it takes me some time to get to them? It absolutely does, but I want you to know we have a wonderful DIY community that is here for you to answer your questions and to help you along the way. We are all in this together. If you want to hang out a little bit more, please feel free to do that. You can head on over to our social media and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. In addition to that, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you are waiting for. Head on over or head down to the description, click on that link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. They pay you to shop. Well guys, once again, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast, but before I go, I want to remind you that you can head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, for lots of more cost-saving tips, picture and written instructions of most of our videos, as well as a free resource library. We are updating our library because we are updating our website. I cannot wait for the launch. It will be soon. And stay tuned, because with that launch will come a special insert into our free resource library. So stay tuned. Super excited about it. Cannot wait to share the new website with you. So head on over there and check us out. We want to thank you guys for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you spending time with us lightly. So thank you very much. Well, if you have a request that you would like us to consider, remember to head on down to the description below, click on the project request link, and follow the easy steps, or head right on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. Click on that little eye right there in the corner. It'll take you right there, and find the project request tab, click on it, follow the very simple steps. I do say do it sooner than later, because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I hate telling anyone no. Well guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.